So we have already seen, कि when an image is shown as a matrix, every individual cell in that matrix is considered to be a pixel. Correct? Pixel is the smallest element. You either call it as a pixel or you call it as a picture element. Okay? So there are certain relationships that a pixel can have, and the very first relationship is the neighborhood of the pixel. Okay? So if I consider this as point P, okay, this dot is nothing but it is a pixel P, जिसके coordinates है x, y. जिसके coordinates क्या है? x, y. This point P is given to you by coordinates x, y. Now this point P has 4 neighbors. 2 are horizontal and 2 are vertical. Okay? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. How do I give these neighbors? X plus 1, y. X minus 1, y. X, y plus 1 and x, y minus 1. Okay? This is xy, correct? So before this will be x minus 1. After this will be x plus 1. Y plus 1, y minus 1. Correct? Now, the next thing is, these 4 neighbors of P are denoted as N4P. Okay? And each pixel is at a unit distance from x, y. But आपको सिर्फ ये 4 neighbors नहीं होते. A pixel has more 4 neighbors which are called as 4 diagonal neighbors of P. And उनके coordinates होते हैं ये. So which are these pixels? Let me use another color for showing you this. So these blue color dots that you can see, basically, they are the diagonal neighbors of P. Okay? Which are called as NDP. Now, this N4P and this NDP together are called as 8 neighbors of P, and which are denoted as N8P. So you should know 3 things over here. Pixel P given by x, y has 4 neighbors, 2 verticals, 2 horizontals given by these coordinates, denoted by N4 of P. Now P also has 4 other diagonal neighbors which are shown in blue color, given by these coordinates, which are called as NDP. Now N4P and NDP together give you N8P. Okay, a very simple concept of neighbors of a pixel. Now the next thing is something that is called as adjacency. Now let V be the set of gray level values used to define adjacency in a binary image. If V is set of 1, then we are referring to the adjacency of a pixel with the value. So there are 3 types of adjacencies. One is a 4 adjacency. So the 2 pixels P and Q with value from V are 4 adjacent if A is in the set N4P. अभी N4P क्या है? Just now we have seen 4 neighbors. So वो कौन सा adjacency हुआ? 4 adjacency. 8 adjacency में क्या होगा? If the pixels are there in N8P, then it is called as 8 adjacency. Okay? Now, if the 2 pixels with a value from V are M adjacent if M adjacency अलग concept है. 8 and 4 adjacency was very simple. M adjacency says that the Q is in N4 of P, or the Q is in ND of Q, and the set N4P intersection N4Q has no pixel whose values are from V. And the third point is the distance measure. Now how is the distance measured? Distance is measured using these formulas. Okay, we are going to use what is called as Euclidean distance between P and Q is defined as DE, that is Euclidean distance of P comma Q is IY minus T of Okay.